Hello guys, welcome to our channel Learn to Code. Hope you all doing well. Before getting to the sea of programming, first we have to know what is programming. A programming language is a type of written language that tells computers how to perform a certain task. With precise instructions, computers coordinate applications and systems that run the modern world. There are a lot of examples: Java, Python, Ruby, C, C++, and the list goes on. Okay, why do we use programming language? First, programming languages allow us to translate the ones and zeros into something that humans can understand and write. A programming language is made up of a series of symbols that serves as a bridge that allow humans to translate out thoughts into instructions that computers can understand. Okay, what do we learn first? I already told you that we have a lot of programming languages. So I'm going to begin with the most popular programming language. Any guesses? Okay, we are going to learn Java programming language first. Okay, do you know what is a Java is? Okay, the definition of Java is like this only. Java is a programming language and a platform. Java is high level, robust, object oriented, and secure programming language. Okay, we will discuss these features in future chapters. Okay, then we want to know I have to tell you the history of Java. Sun Microsystems released the Java programming language in year 1995. Java is known for being simple, portable, secure, and robust. So it was released over 20 years ago. Java remains one of the most popular programming languages today. Okay, why Java is popular even today? The main reason for this, because it is safe, portable, maintainable, and comes with better high-level concurrency tools than C++ or any other language. What does portable and concurrency means? Portable means able to transfer from one machine or system to another. Concurrency means the ability to execute more than one program or task simultaneously. The main reason behind this being the platform independence and high portability nature of the Java language. Since Java runs in the Java virtual machine, developers manage to move Java codes to any devices. We will discuss about Java virtual machine in future chapters. Okay, we will discuss about applications of Java. Java is a very popular language, so the applications are diverse. So first, the application is Java is used for making desktop application, web applications, enterprise applications, and mobile and robotics. What do you mean by the desktop applications? If you have any doubts, please look at these definitions. Desktop software or applications can be considered the local version of a service or web application that provide the interaction option between application processing and user without directly connecting with web service. This is important. It won't directly connect with the web service. Example: Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, etc. Web application. A web application is a client side and server side software application in which the client runs or request in a web browser. Example: email and instant message services. Next is enterprise application. Enterprise applications are designed to integrate computer systems that run all the phases of an enterprise's operations to facilitate cooperation and coordination of work across the enterprise. Example: banking application. Another applications are we are using Java in mobile and robotics. Okay, this is the main features of Java. This is the main important topic in Java. Features of Java. If you are going to attend an interview, features of Java, they will surely ask features of Java. If you learn features of Java, means you can easily you can understand the basics things of Java. There are a lot of features in Java. The main are simple object oriented, high performance, secure, architecture neutral, portable, robust, dynamic, multi-threaded, and distributed.